Time for an oil change for the skid steer.
So we drove it up on blocks because there's not a lot of clearance between the bottom. It's kind of hard to crawl under there and get the oil drained out, so by driving it up on blocks, we got enough room. We can slide a piece of plywood under there so we can lay on it, and then we can slide the pan to drain the oil into. So the first thing we have to do is remove this access hatch. And as always, this is always packed full of hay and other stuff that fall down into the engine compartment during the year. Okay, while that drains, we'll pull the oil filter off. So the hours on this is 7,004. What we have to do is put a little bit of oil around the gasket seal, just to lubricate it a little bit.
Why do you do that?
Helps you get a good seat so it slides and doesn't bunch up or anything. So just a little bit of oil just around the seal. Don't want to crank on it tight or you won't get it off again come fall or come next year. And then write the hours on it. So 7,135.
Mm-hmm.
So 7,135. Okay, I just gotta put oil on it.
So how much oil do you have to put in this?
I'm not sure how much this holds. I'm guessing at least 3 gallons, maybe 4. Just fill it till the dipstick says it's full.